Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2014 through 2022 and possibly beyond Audi A3 sedan. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack, set of 4, and then the WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of 2, offered in silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as 4 molded rubber base pads, both of which have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction manual, and that will correspond to the correct positioning on each of the feet. So for example, here's one of the feet. I'll take off the outer cover. And here you can see we've applied a sticker that's included with the fit kit to identify this as the front left position. And so you would reference the manual to determine which base pads work on the front left position, and then press that base pad to the bottom of the foot, and then take the corresponding door frame bracket and insert it and click it into place. Now within the foot, you have these 2 tabs here, silver tabs, and that's what allows the attachment of the load bar to the top of the foot. Let's do that next. So here is the WingBar Evo Load Bar. We've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track along the top that allows attachment of certain accessories by just inserting the hardware in between the 2 pieces of rubber and allowing you to attach that accessory directly to the top of the bar, giving a very clean, integrated method of attachment. With the foot, it attaches to the underside of the bar. You'll notice here on the end of the track, you have a measuring device with numbers. Those numbers correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet to make sure that the foot is placed properly on the load bar. Let's do that next. We'll take off the end cap and then take the foot and press in on those silver tabs, slide the foot down onto the bar until it reaches your predetermined position. And then you'll notice here we have some exposed track on the top. We want to fill that in with this rubber that's included with the load bars. It comes in lengths that you cut down to fill in that gap, and that'll help to maintain the good aerodynamics of the load bar on the underside. Let's go ahead and put the end cap back into place. Now, when it's time to tighten this onto the vehicle, Thule's provided a tool. You insert that tool to reach the fastener and tighten. Once it's fully tightened, this handle clicks, indicating you've reached the full tightness. Now we'll go ahead and put back the outer cover. It just snaps, and then give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. Though you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a keyed metal lock cylinder. These lock cylinders are sold in sets that are all matched so that you can have all 4 of your feet all key matched. You can extend that out to even the other accessories that are lockable and have all of your Thule products all key matched for convenience. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2014 through 2022 and possibly beyond Audi A3 sedan. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in this video description for all the buying options for this roof rack system for the vehicle. Also, when it's time to do the install yourself, we have a more in-depth video that'll go into more detail about the full assembly of this rack system, and that's also linked in the product description. So thanks for watching. See you next time.